KPRC2 is your vaccine central, and a major announcement coming from one of the developers. Pfizer is speeding up its production process. The company says it is cutting that time in half. Right now, it takes 110 days to produce a batch of its coronavirus vaccine. The company says it expects it will soon take around 60 days as a result of the production ramping up and becoming more efficient. The news comes as more than 60,000 doses will be sent to vaccine hubs here in the Houston area.
KPRC2's Kathy Hernandez breaks down where those doses are going and the plans for them this week.
Good afternoon. More doses in our area. Houston Methodist Hospital is receiving the most in the state with 12,675. Positive news for many, but not everyone. One provider in our region just announced they are not getting enough doses, so they're having to reschedule vaccinations. Disappointing news. The Brazos County Community Hub and the St. Joseph Health Vaccine Clinics received fewer doses of the COVID-19 vaccine than they expected. They're getting 2,000 of the first dose and 1,000 of the second dose. Now they're forced to reschedule some vaccinations. They sent out a statement saying, quote, "We know this is disappointing news and had hoped to receive the same amount that we did for this week. However, we are dependent on what the state allocates us each week. We're working hard to vaccinate every 1A and 1B resident in the Brazos Valley, which is more than 130,000 people." Meanwhile, supply to other local providers is increasing. More than 60,000 doses will be sent to local vaccine hubs. Harris, Galveston, and Fort Bend counties will receive the most. Houston Mayor Sylvester Turner says it's focused on making the vaccine more available to vulnerable and disadvantaged.
City of Houston, for example, we've kind of pulled away from the mass distribution sites. Mass distribution sites are good for numbers. They're not necessarily the best for equity.
And the federal government will make a major push this week to send 1 million vaccine doses to 6,500 pharmacies across the country. Pfizer has also announced they expect to increase production by 50%.
Things are going to get better as we get from February into March into April, because the number of vaccine doses that will be available will increase substantially.
Health officials in Brazos County say they'll send emails so they can reschedule those vaccination appointments. They also say people should not panic if they're at their 28th day, because they will still receive that second dose within the window, according to CDC guidelines. Reporting in the Texas Medical Center, Kathy Hernandez, KPRC 2 News.